Good afternoon, Doak Cooks. Yet again on Sunday, we've got another game happening. We've got the Chiefs against the Ravens. We are a Chiefs house at present time, so we are absolutely 100% behind Mahomes and Kelsey and crew. So what I was trying to do last weekend was I was trying to do chicken wings, which I could not find for a decent price. You just witnessed me at the grocery store popping around looking at different stuff. I ended up deciding on the chicken wings for today because they are super easy and I am super late and it is nearly time for the game to start. So what do? Well, we're going to get to it. Wings are funny. So wings are like most all meat is by weight. So with wings, you have a lot of weight of stuff that you actually aren't going to consume. So in this case, you have the leg, the wing, and then the extra piece right here. So we can toss this entire chicken wing into the air fryer and we'd be fine. Or we can trim this and throw away the pieces that we don't care about, focus and maximize surface to dry rub for the pieces that we do care about, and it will actually cook faster. So let's go that route. Trimming chicken is actually very easy. I actually like to have a serrated blade. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna separate our chicken pieces. We're gonna move some to the side, and then what we are going to do is we are going to take our chicken leg and we're gonna stretch it, and we're gonna run our thumb down and find where the bones meet, where they connect. And then we're gonna set down on our cutting board and we're going to very carefully cut them in half and separate them. And so now you have your little drummy and your wing attached to your piece of chicken that most people don't eat. And it does connect right here at that joint. So let's separate that. And now this piece, normally I would use it for stock, or while it's raw, I would give it to my dog to chew on as a snack. But for today, I'm going to toss them because I'm going to chop up all of these pieces to get them in the air fryer, which you can hear me beeping, or you should be hearing beeping right behind me. Chicken's ready. Okay, so now the chicken is completely coated in our dry rub. Let's toss it in the air fryer. All right. That's them. That's the chicken. Then we come back about every 5 minutes. Still getting there. Not done yet. All right, Kelsey has scored his touchdown, and I'm actually going to add more time onto this because I know that 20 minutes is not going to be enough. Again, so this is just hold on, sidebar. There, let's turn it off so you don't hear the sound of the air fryer going. Sidebar. Getting a feel for chicken by look and just kind of experience is an art. So, you know, the first time you undercook chicken is the last time you undercook chicken. So, here we go. Shake it up. I'm going to add a few more minutes to the air fryer. They look amazing. They're getting there, but they are not done yet. But I'm not going to go a whole 15 more minutes again, but Let's see how we are in another 5 minutes. So in this house, there is debate on what is the perfect sauce to use for dipping your wings in. Now, they are dry rubbed, so we still have flavor on them, but everybody's got a favorite in this house. Everybody demands their very particular sauce and dipping ramekin. But the only valid, appropriate answer is always, and forever will be, one singular choice. If you're gonna do wings in this house, we use blue cheese. Okay, my dog hates it when I air fry chicken wings in the house because she can smell them. All right, so they're really close. The wings are almost there. It's been about 20 minutes or so, give or take. So we are gonna do about another 5 minutes and then they're gonna be ready. All right. Yep. And we're good. We are beautifully done. So let's plate them. And there you have it. Perfectly air fried, dry rubbed, Kansas City barbecue flavored wings with our blue cheese. So I am a fan of the clear glass ramekin because I like the way it looks. I think it's classy to have a dipping sauce separate from the items on the rest of the plate. And what I will do is I will take it and I will shake it a little bit. So that it complements the overall experience. So, Baltimore just scored after Travis Kelce just scored, so the game is now tied. We're still in the first quarter. Go Chiefs. Hope you enjoyed the video this week. Enjoy your wings. Go Chiefs Nation. Thanks, everyone. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend.